Now we will do the experiment for Ray Optics Kit. We will study the phenomena of light, reflection and refraction. We will use the light box, parabolic mirror for reflection and a right-angled prism for refraction. First of all, we will go for the reflection. As you can see on the paper, the parallel rays and shape of parabolic mirror and direction of reflection of beams is drawn. Now, place the parabolic mirror on the paper as indicated. This will reflect the beams at different angles. Connect the light box to the power source of 12 volts 2 watts. Insert the 3 beam slits in ray box and put the parabolic mirror in front of the parallel beams. We will observe the central beam will reflect to 360 degrees and other 2 beams will reflect outwards as shown on the paper. Similarly, we will go for the refraction. In this case, we will use a single beam slit in the light box. Place the right-angled prism in front of the single beam. We will observe that the ray will refract at a particular angle, and that angle is called a refraction angle.